the musical adaptation of John Ford's Oscar-winning movie, The Quiet Man, starring Maureen O'Hara and John Wayne, is now being staged at the Irish Repertory Theatre. Donnybrook, the musical story of The Quiet Man, now on stage at the Irish Repertory Theatre in the heart of Chelsea, New York City. And the reviews are in. The New York Times reads, under Charlotte Moore's crisp direction, the show manages another remarkable feat, looking past the story's fists to uncover its heart. Donnybrook, the musical story of The Quiet Man, directed by Charlotte Moore, producing director Ciaran O'Reilly, now in full swing at the Irish Repertory Theatre, here in the heart of Chelsea, New York City. The stunningly original and beautiful melodies in Donnybrook, written by the great Johnny Burke, are sung by a cast of award-winning Broadway artists, including Jenny Powers as feisty Irish beauty Mary Kate Danaher, and James Barber as American prizefighter Sean Enright, with choreography by Barry McNabb. All the great characters of The Quiet Man literally jump to life in song. In Donnybrook, the musical story of The Quiet Man, now playing at the Irish Repertory Theatre, 132 West 22nd Street, New York City. For tickets, telephone 212-727-2737. That's 212-727-2737. Donnybrook at the Irish Rep. Visit irishrep.org or just click the Irish Repertory Theatre logo right here on the front page of radioirish.com. Donnybrook at the Irish Repertory Theatre.